healthy lawn, you need a sharp blade. We recommend changing your blade once a season to ensure the very best cut. Today, we're going to show you how to change your blade on a riding mower. Be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions specific to your mower. First, engage the parking brake, turn your mower off, remove the ignition key, and make sure the PTO lever is disengaged. Next, put the deck height lever in its highest position and place a block of wood under the deck's edge for support. After, lower the deck to the wooden block and remove the cutting deck. Slide the deck out from under the mower and turn it over to expose the blades. Wearing gloves for protection, use the Arnold blade removal tool to secure the blade. Remove the hardware that secures the blade to the spindle and remove the blade. Assemble the new blades on the deck spindle and tighten the hardware using a torque wrench to the proper torque specified in your operator's manual. Remove the Arnold blade removal tool and reattach the cutting deck on your mower. Finally, route the belt onto the engine pulley, attach the belt keeper around the engine pulley using the self-tapping screws. Now, your mower is ready with a sharp blade for a clean cut. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful equipment tips from Cub Cadet.